quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. Solution of quadratic equation by completing square method. Solution of quadratic equation by completing square method. By completing square algorithm by completing square algorithm. By completing square algorithm. First, I will give the algorithm. Algorithm. What is algorithm? Step-by-step solution. Step-by-step solution. Step-by-step solution. If you perfect with the algorithm, any type of problem you can solve. Step number one. Step number one. Write the given equation. Write the given equation. Write the given equation in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Whatever the equation given, you write it in the standard form. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. This is first step. And second step, step number 2. Shift the constant term to RHS. Shift the constant term to RHS, means right hand side, and divide whole equation and divide whole equation by a. Divide whole equation by a. Very important it is. Now, that is what happens. Let us see. Look here, ax square plus bx plus c. This becomes ax square plus bx, and shift this term c to the RHS. Then this is equal to minus c. Now, next, divide the whole equation by a. Therefore, ax square divided by a plus b upon a x equal to minus c upon a. Now, here a getting cancelled. It is x square plus b upon ax equal to minus c upon a. This is step number 2 is over. Now, step number 3. Step number 3. Very, very important step it is. Add both sides add both sides half coefficient of x. Half coefficient of x. Coefficient of x. Add both sides half coefficient of x. What is this? Half coefficient of x. Coefficient of x is b upon a. B upon a. Half add coefficient of x bracket square. Means this bracket square. Half, look here, both sides. Add both sides half coefficient of x bracket square. Half coefficient of x is b upon a bracket square. Now, this becomes what? X square plus b upon ax and plus half b upon a bracket square equal to half, look here, square it is, means 1 upon 4, this is 2a square, means a square, and into b square. Half 1 of b upon a means b square upon 4a square minus c upon a. Now, LHS is automatically becomes a square term. You write step number 4. Write LHS as LHS in the form of LHS in the form of A plus or minus b bracket square and simplify RHS. Simplify RHS. Simplify the RHS. Now this becomes x plus 1 upon 2 b upon a bracket square. And this is LCM. 4a square is LCM. It is 4a square is LCM. And 4a square upon 4a square, and this becomes b square minus 4a square upon a, 4a into c, 4ac. Now, step number 5. Take root, taking root, taking root, taking root, taking the root, and find value of x. Find values of x over only this much. Now, I will show you how to do this, how to apply this in solving the problem. Look here. Now, example. Number 1. This is in a page number 31, Karnataka syllabus book. Find the roots. Find the roots of quadratic equation. Find the roots. Find the roots of 4x square plus 3x plus 5 equal to 0. Say, given equation. Now, solution. The given equation is 4x square plus 3x plus 5 equal to 0. Solution. Solution. You write the equation in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. Look here, ax square plus bx plus c form, and it is already in a standard form. If it is not in a standard form, write it in standard form. Plus 3x plus 5 equal to 0. Now, shift the step number 2. Shift the constant term to RHS. Now, step number 2. 4x square plus 3x equal to plus 5. On the other side, send it minus 5. Next, dividing whole equation by a. A is 4. Dividing by 4. Whole equation. 4x square upon 4 minus 3 upon 4x and minus 5 upon 4. Look here, getting cancelled. Add half coefficient of x. Look here, 1 upon 2, coefficient of x. Coefficient of x is minus 3 upon 4. Minus 3 upon 4 bracket square. Now this is equal to minus 3 upon 8 bracket square. Now this can be added to the LHS. Then RHS, you can add the same thing, but now you can save the time in examination hall. Minus 3 square is 9. 8 square is 64. And this should be added to RHS, and this should be added to LHS. This is okay. Now this becomes x square minus 3 upon 4 x plus minus 3 upon 8 bracket square equal to, look here, 9 upon 64 already minus 5 by 4 is there. Minus 5 by 4. And simplify this. 64 is LCM. 4 is a factor of 64. 16 into 4, 64. 64 upon 64, 1. 1 into 9, 9. Minus 64 upon 4. 4 into 1, 4. 2 remains. 4 into 6 jar. 24 means 16. And 16, look here, here it is 16. And 16 into 5. 5 into 6, 30 it is. 30. 5 into 6, 30. Then 5 into 1, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. Look here. 8 it is. Now, this is 80 minus 9. 80 minus 9. 80 minus 9. This is 71. 71. 71 upon 64. Look here. This is can be written as x minus 3 upon 8 bracket square equal to minus 71 upon 64. Please look here. And this is negative number, means less than 0. And therefore, the answer is no real roots. No real roots. You have to find out real roots. And if it is positive, you can go further. If it is negative, stop there. Answer is no real roots. Okay, no real roots. I am going to do one more example where I am getting the roots, actual roots. And this is example number L1 in page number 33. Second example. Find the two it is application oriented. See, Page number 34, problem number 1. Page number 34, problem number, page number 34. Page number 34, problem number 1. Example number 34, 3 problems are given. Out of that, this is problem number 1. Find the roots of find the roots of 3x square minus 5x plus 2 equal to 0. Solution. Step number 1, write the given equation in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. Look here, ax square plus bx plus c form. So that you take the given equation as it is. It is already in a standard form. 5x plus 2 equal to 0. And second step, to transfer the constant term to the RHS, 3x square minus 5x plus 2 is there, transfer it to the other side, it becomes minus 2. Okay, say. Now, next, shift the constant term to the RHS and divide the whole equation by A. Means, here only you don't do the one more step. Say, divided by 3. Divided by 3. And divided by 3. Look here, 3 getting cancelled. And add both sides. Add both sides. Half into coefficient of x. Half coefficient of x. Look here, coefficient of x is minus 5 by 3. Minus 5 by 3 bracket square. Now, this is simplification, minus 5 upon 6 bracket square. This can be added to LHS and simplified form can be added to RHS so that you can save the time there in examination hall. Minus 5 square, this is 25. And 6 square, 36. Now, this can be added to RHS. This can be added to LHS. Both are same values. For our convenience, then, this is what happens here. X square minus 5 by 3 x plus minus 5 by 6 bracket square equal to, look here, already minus 3 by 2 is there, you have to add 25 upon 36. So that 25 divided by 36 minus 2 by 3. 2 by 3. And simplify this. 36 is LCM. 3 is a factor of 36. 36. 36 upon 36, 1. 1 into 25, 25. Minus 36 upon 3, 12 into 3, 36. 3 into 1 is 3 into 2. 12 into 3, 36. 12 into 2, this is 24. And simplify this, 25 minus 24, 1 upon 36. Now, you write the LHS in the form of A plus B, A minus B bracket square. Look here. If it is a plus sign, you write a plus. If it is a minus, you write a minus. Otherwise, if you are not taken the minus sign along with the numbers, whatever the sign here between x square and x, you write the same sign. Same signs goes there. Then this is minus 5 by 6 bracket square equal to 1 upon 36. Then taking the root, therefore taking root, no necessary to write, directly you can write, but how it comes, you may be under confusion. That is why I am writing, taking square root, taking square root. That is taking the square root. Look here, if you take a square root, the square getting cancelled. You are getting x minus 5 by 6 equal to, look here, plus or minus root of 1 upon 36. And this is equal to plus or minus 1 upon root of 36 is 6. Look here, plus and minus coming. And therefore, what happens here? X minus 5 by 6 equal to, one value will be plus 1 upon 6. Or another one, x minus 5 by 6 equal to minus 1 upon 6 plus 1 upon 6 minus 1 upon 6. Now, we are interested in finding value of x. Therefore, x equal to 1 upon 6, transfer minus 5 by 6 to RHS, it becomes plus 5 by 6. And simplify this, 6 is LCM, 6, both the sides same, numerator remains same, 5. And this is 6 upon 6. They are getting cancelled. The answer is 1. Okay, now see here, one value of x is 1. Then another value you have to find out. Can I do here? See, now I will take this here, or say x minus 5 by 6 equal to minus 1 upon 6. And therefore, x equal to, transfer this minus 5 by 6 other side. This is 1 minus 1 upon 6 and plus 5 by 6. Simplify 6 is LCM. This is -1 plus 5 after taking LCM. This is 4 upon 6. Then cancellation, 2 into 1 ja, 2 into 3 ja, and 2 upon 3. 2 answers you got. Therefore, roots are first one x equal to 1 and second one 2 upon 3. Now, you can save the time, so that you can invest this time in giving the correct, you put this into the box like this. Okay, now, say, if you are 100% sure, 100% sure, and then what you do, you give bouquet to examiner. If you are 100% sure, you give bouquet, flower to examiner. Okay, see, if you are not sure, don't give. And don't give bouquet to the wrong answer. Give bouquet to the examiner if you are 100% sure about answer. And suppose if you give bouquet to the wrong answer, examiner gives coconut chip in your hand. And some students ask me why he is giving coconut chip. And examiner giving coconut chip to go to Ganpati temple and sit there. Okay, you be careful. Only for correct answer you give the bouquet. Otherwise, don't make a decoration. Yes, wish you good luck, my dear students. Tomorrow we will do the remaining problems. Okay.